Good Saturday morning, everybody. Guess who? I'm in the kitchen, y'all. And of course, you know I'm on the run again. I'm still helping Barb open the restaurant. This is her fourth day. Anyway, I had to do a few housekeeping things here this morning. So I'm going to go down there in the afternoon. So, thought I'd chime in again and just let y'all see what I'm putting on the stove this afternoon. These are some about a couple pounds of chicken wings, the little drumettes. I am going to make some orange barbecue chicken wings. So what I'm gonna do with this is I've already seasoned the wings. They're frozen, but I've already put some salt on them. I'm sorry, garlic salt and a good amount of black pepper. I'm gonna say to this 2 pounds of chicken drumettes, about a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of garlic salt. I've already sprinkled some on, so I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit more for filming purposes. And again, these are frozen. You know those flash frozen ones, not the fresh ones that I freeze on my own. So I've got a half a cup of orange juice, fresh squeezed orange juice. I had some nice sweet oranges, so I decided let's give that barbecue sauce a different little taste. So I'm going to pour this half a cup of, how about a half a cup of orange juice in there? Something off the side of that pot there. Okay, I'll burn my hands up doing stuff. Anyway, just make sure you don't have the pot too hot, because all you want to do, it doesn't necessarily need to cook. It just needs to heat up so it'll blend. That's some good oranges. So, and of course I got my Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And I'm just going to squirt about a cup of that into the pot. And after I cook these wings for I'm going to cook them for about 30 minutes. Because that way we'll get all that water cooked off of them. And then I'm going to pull them back out of the oven. And I'm going to pour this sauce over and let them bake for another about 45 minutes and let them glaze really good. So this is another one of those real fast, quick, and in a hurry, got stuff to do Saturdays or during the week when the kids want something good to eat and you don't want to do hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff. Give them a good meal. So this is one of the mainstays that you can use, is these chicken wings. Of course, you can serve it with fries, potato tots, a corn on the cob, a salad, some stir-fried rice or whatever. But the mainstay today that we're going to talk about is just these chicken wings. So now, like I said, got them all seasoned up with a teaspoon of black pepper and another teaspoon of garlic salt. Now I'm getting ready to run them into a 375 degree oven for 30 minutes. I think that'll give them enough time to cook that water off and let them just cook into their own juices and get that seasoning. And then we'll come back and do the sauce for it. So hold on just a minute and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, there it is. Done and ready to go. Those orange barbecue chicken wings. Look good, huh? And just some mixed vegetables to go with it. Just something to nibble on this wonderful, cloudy, rainy Saturday afternoon. I decided, y'all, I'm going to spend this day at home relaxing. I just am. Talking to my baby girl on the phone. Trying to get in a few videos for y'all. Hold on a minute, shoot. Let me finish this video off. Okay, y'all, so I got everything all ready to go. A small little early dinner, but a real yummy one. So what we got, like I said, is these orange barbecue chicken wings. These are the drumettes. And this is just a bag of mixed vegetables with y'all know I got a little bit of sugar in them, a little bit of salt, some pepper, and half a stick of butter. I'm just going to let them cook down for a few minutes, and they're going to be ready to go. So just wanted to tune in with y'all since I've been MIA again. Tomorrow we're going to be on the flavor train. Last Sunday, remember, we had technical difficulty. Well, last Sunday we actually did Chinese food courtesy of Tanya, and the Sunday before. So it's been like 2 weeks since I gave y'all a real good Sunday dinner. So how about I make up for it tomorrow? So Until we meet again tomorrow on the Flavor Train, I'm going to say love you guys. Keep the prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Until we meet again tomorrow, love y'all. Toodaloo. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Come on in again. I decided I needed some pasta salad to go with that, with those mixed vegetables and that orange barbecue chicken. So I had this spaghetti left. You know me, I don't throw away stuff if it's still good. So I'm going to take this spaghetti. This is probably 4 cups of cooked spaghetti. Okay, I've got me some bell pepper, onion, and celery in my blender. A half of a small bell pepper, 2 stalks of celery, and half of a medium-sized onion. Pretty much chop it up just like I do when I'm making salsa. Now, I got salsa, but I didn't want to use my salsa in this, so I wanted to have a different taste. You know that salsa is special to me, so pretty much when you chop up the ingredients, just chop them up just like you do the ingredients for your salsa. So this is just another salad. If you got some leftover spaghetti or any kind of macaroni, any kind of pasta, I like lots of greens in there. Let's get that all in there. Okay. Now, I've also diced some tomatoes. This is a medium-sized tomato I diced. Just dice it, throw it right in there. And I'm going to use some the minced garlic. Give me a good heaping teaspoon of minced garlic. And I'm going to sprinkle about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder in there. I'm sorry, garlic salt, excuse me. And I'm going to put some black pepper, about a half a teaspoon of black pepper in there. This is going to be some nice pasta salad, y'all, to eat with my chicken and my mixed vegetables. And, of course, here I've got my rice vinegar to pump it up a few more notches. So I'm going to start out with, say, 1/4 of a cup of rice vinegar. That rice vinegar is really very good. And so everything will mix and stick. I'm going to put about a couple tablespoons of corn oil in there. If you got olive oil, any kind of oil like that, you can just go ahead and put it in there. And what I'm going to do is just take it here and just mix it. I don't know, I've had all kinds of spaghetti salad made before. You know, if you got some shrimp, you can some cooked shrimp, some raw shrimp. You know, of course, cook them, clean them up, cook them, throw them in there. You can throw some chicken in here, but this is a good side dish. And I'm looking at it, and I'm thinking I want some more tomatoes in it. So I think I'm going to do another small tomato to go in there. But this is just one of those little side dishes I thought I'd chime back in and let y'all see. But I am having it with my chicken and mixed vegetables. Oh, it smells good. That rice vinegar smells good. And of course, I'm going to have to taste it here in a second or two. Just make sure you get it mixed up really, really good. So that oil, like I said, helps to make everything sort of stick together. Okay. So I'm just going to take my spoon here. And again, I believe I'm going to put some more tomatoes in it. That's wonderful. Excuse me. That's good to me. Y'all know I like veggies. I'm gonna put a you know what? I'm gonna throw a little bit of salsa in there. That way I don't have to cut another tomato. So I would add another tomato in there, but since I've got salsa, I'm gonna throw some salsa in there. So hold on. Y'all, this is good, and I'm hungry. So this is working out just right. I know I did the salsa last week, so I still got about half of it left. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put about a couple of tablespoons. I don't put too much because this particular side salad, I want to have sort of a little bit of sweet taste to it. So of course, I'm going to add just a little bit of sugar to it, just to give it that little sweet taste, to cut some of the tartness. Because you know me, I'm going to eat some salsa. I eat salsa with everything. So, if you don't have salsa, just cut you up either one large tomato or a couple of medium-sized tomatoes. Either one will give you that tomatoey flavor. Okay, let's get a big side. Really, really, really good. Whew. But you know, these little side dishes like this just go good. You can eat this with fish, with chicken, with pork, with beef, anything you want to eat it with. Or you can just eat it by itself. You can put it on a lettuce leaf, or you can make you some good garlic toast and just eat it just like that. Okay. So let's taste it again. Taste it right in my hand. Y'all can't see me, but I'm dancing. I'll tell you what, that is perfect. That about a teaspoon of sugar. And that extra salsa in there just did the trick, y'all. So, now I've got something else to go with my dinner. Okay? There it is, y'all. And it took us, what? About 6 or 7 minutes. A nice side dish. If you want to boil fresh spaghetti, I mean, that's wonderful. You can do that too. And especially if you got some left over now, you just go ahead because you don't want to throw it out. You know how I am with the leftover thing. So this is going to be my dinner for tonight for Kareem and I. We're eating pasta. We're eating the mixed vegetables. And we're going to eat some of that good old orange barbecue chicken. So all is well that ends well. And this is getting ready to end, y'all. Now, I'm going to try to make this into one video. If not, it'll be two separate short videos. So, at this point, I'm going to try to mix it in. If it doesn't mix in, I'm going to say toodaloo, love you guys. Always remember, no matter how I end, I keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Toodaloo.